A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what is happening in the nation Zimbabwe. There is something which happened to Team Zimbabwe, very interesting things happening in Harare, and kwakuchivurwa road, kwakuchivurwa mugwagwa, nema minister, nema MP, ma members of parliament, President Mnangagwa, manyowana akabva kupinda ku Mount Pleasant, and it's very interesting to see these things happening, but this is very 100% embarrassing. If I was Mnangagwa, I would have fired this MP Ipapo. I was going to make sure that that man leaves that job. Let us go to this video and understand what was happening here.
Now we invite the Honorable Minister to remove the stones with the assistance of the residents so that we can officially commission this road. So, Honorable, you are maybe a worker. You're going to get dirty today. Go and lift, choose which one you want. You can lift the biggest, the smallest, whatever, and then the residents can help. Okay. You want to take what, the small one or the big one? The big one. Honorable, okay, take the big one. Right, Honorable.
I think first and foremost, we want to appreciate and we want to thank the Minister of Transport for hearing our concerns in respect of the jam or the traffic jam which was in Harare road there, and I want to appreciate them. They've constructed a temporary alternative, and we hopefully it's going to assist with the one-person distance in respect of easing the challenges of the roads. So I will take this opportunity. The Minister of Transport have indicated that we are ready to use this road. So let me take off. We are ready to.
Mururu.
Nice. So everyone is now ready. Everyone is now free to use the road.
So
let me be the first one.
Buda. Jinabasa. Wanoshika.
So this is embarrassing. You know, when you see these things happening, Team Zimbabwe, this is a sign, this is a clear indication of where we are going. You know, the social fabric is broken in Zimbabwe. Whatever they are doing, they are now doing it. Honestly, so we want to see these things happening differently, and this zivangu kuti vanhu munozvitora sei, but personally I feel that things are not well. What these guys are doing is not well. So I'm told that this is a deputy minister of justice. So let me check deputy minister of justice tione kuti akambomira sei, timuzive kuti ndiani, because this is embarrassing honestly. Zviri kunyadzisa. You know, we cannot continue like that in the nation of Zimbabwe. We can't continue like that. We need to deal with these issues, and so it's Obet Mazungunye, and this is Obet Mazungunye. So we need to take a look on Obet Mazungunye so that we see who this person is. So it's Obet Mazungunye. Let us try to find out who Obet Mazungunye is. Let us see if we are going to be able to find Obet Mazungunye. Because, you know, in life, these things, the way they are being done, it's wrong. Personally, I see this being done wrongly, and we can't continue. As a nation, we can't continue like that. Just imagine, these are the people who are being appointed by President Mnangagwa into positions of power, and they celebrate this mediocrity. Why can't you simply be quiet? Why? Why can't you simply be quiet? So, andiziva hangu, but this is the reason why we are saying it's time for us to have change in the nation Zimbabwe. It's time for us to have real change. It's time for us to bring development to the nation of Zimbabwe. Real development. Not zvimwe zvese zvatiri kuitirwa izvi zvanamubata dzvinyu izvi. You know, vanhu vanenge vachiswera vakabva kunoteya mbeva uko. They come and they pretend to be doing something for our government. What are our children going to learn? What are our children going to learn when you have people like that? So this is Obeti Mazungunye. You can confirm. I can. So it's embarrassing. Let me try to put another the picture right here of that guy wamamchiona papa ningapo, so that you know kuti zvinhu zvatiri kutaura izvi hatisingotaura from hatred. We are talking about facts right here. We are talking about facts. This is Obeti Mazungunye right here. I think you can actually see him. That is Obeti Mazungunye for you. This one, Aripanapo. That is the guy angachi achita zvekuvhura road. And vanhu vemuzimbabwe regai timbotaura tichiti kutaura chokwadi hatina hasha. Because dati hatine hasha, mafesa yangadai asingadhereri zvaari kuita izvi. Zvese zvavari kuita izvi vangadai vasiri kuzviita izvi. So this is Obeti Mazungunye for you. And he is the Deputy Minister of Legal and Parliamentary Affairs. You know, I think they are from the Salvation Army. Take a look, vanhu vacho zera ravo nezvazvinenge zvichiitwa zvacho. You'd see kuti ndanonzi mashura chaichaiwo akanzi tengesa uone mashura. Ndokutengesa uko kuri kuitwa nevakomana ava. Our future is being sold by these people. So it's time for us to have this conversation about change. It's time for us to talk more about change and agree that we really need change in the nation Zimbabwe. We can't continue like this. If you are continuing like this, you have to continue on. Us as citizens, we are saying enough is enough, because our future is at stake. Our future is what is very important. The future of our children, that is what is very important at this point in time. And we have to make sure that we speak about these issues. We defend the future of our children with whatever we can. So the beginning of everything is to have a conversation. This is how we start everything. And you know, when a child is birthed, the first thing is to cry. That is communication, to tell you that I am alive, I am well. And if that child refuses to cry, my doctors and manesi want to murova kusvika achema. And you know, that is the foundation, which means we have to speak, we have to communicate as the foundation, as the basis of the foundation to build Zimbabwe. And from there, we build our country. We start to identify each other, and we work together for the good of our nation. Thank you very much for coming.